with a page number 75, exercise 4, sum number 9 in the books of Sasi Kumar's journal entry. First one is see the date. What is the date they given in October 2017. Date is a one date. What they given? Commenced business with goods they given. So goods nalum stock nalum one is. So what I have write stock account to Sasi Kumar's capital account. So what is coming in stock is coming in. So who is the giver? Sasi Kumar is the giver, credit side. So I am writing coming in debit side. Who is the giver? That will in the credit side. How much he is giving means 40,000. So next date is number 3. Comments. So what is cash introduced means additional cash introduced in between the business. So what I have write cash account coming in. Cash is coming in. Coming in means what is coming in the debit side. So I will write in the debit side. Who is the giver means Sasi Kumar is a giver. That will come in the credit side. So I am writing cash account. Here also debtor to Sasi Kumar's capital account. I will write. How much means 60,000. Here 60,000. So you can write the comments here. Introduce started business with stock. You can write as a comments here. Additional capital introduced. You can write. Okay. Next see the date is a date 4th date it is there. 4th date what is they given? Purchase goods from Arul on credit. So we are purchasing. If you do purchase mean that is a expense. So that will come in the debit side. So I will write as a purchase in the debit side. Debtor to what I have to write? I have to write Arul. So you did not give the money. You have purchased it for a credit. Who is the giver there? According to golden rule, giver is coming in the credit side. Who is the giver? Arul only is giver. So I am writing a to Arul account. So what is the amount there? 70,000. Here dash 70,000. So what I have to write here? Comments. Purchase from purchase goods from Arul on credit. You can write. So next it what is the date? 6th date. 6th date is there. What next date is a date 6. See there return goods to Arul. So here before Arun கிட்ட வாங்கின கூட்ஸை வந்து நீ ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணுற பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ண கூட்ஸை ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணுற அப்போது பர்ச்சேஸ் வந்து டெபிட் சைடு வந்துச்சுன்னா பர்ச்சேஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் வந்து கிரெடிட் சைடு வரும். ஸோ வாட் யூ ரைட் டு ஹூம் யூ ஆர் கிவிங் மீன்ஸ் அருள். ஸோ இங்கே பாரு கோல்டன் ரூலில் ரிசீவர் வில் கம் இன் த டெபிட் சைட். What is going out will go in the credit side. So here what you will write? Arul account debtor to purchase return account. So what is the amount there? So he is the receiver. What is going out? So what is the amount here? 10,000. Here dash here 10,000 will come. So what is the comments here? You will write purchase return to Arul. You will write. Next what is the date? 10 date you can see. 10 date la paid cash to Arul on account. Paid cash to Arul on account. So who is a receiver? Arul is a receiver. Arul account debtor to what is going out? Cash is going out. So I am writing in the credit side. What how much the amount is? 60,000. So see the golden rule. Who is the receiver is the debit side. What is going out? Cash is going out. That is the credit side. That's why I am writing receiver in the debit side. Going out is the credit side. தலை தெரிதா? Okay, 15 date. 15 date. See the 15 date. Gold sold goods to Chandran on credit. So you are selling the goods for credit. காசு வாங்கல, sold பண்ணிருக்க. அப்போ soldனா that is a income for us. Sold means income for us. So that will come in the credit side. Who is the receiver? That person will come in the debit side. So what you will write? Chandran account to right, sales account. What is the amount? He is the receiver, it is a income. So how much the amount is? 30,000. Here also 30,000, here also 30,000. Next date is the 18th date. So here come and say what you write. Sold goods to Chandran on credit. Okay, next 18 date. What is that 18 date? Chandran return goods worth. Means whatever you sold, this Chandran is returning. The Chandran வந்து உங்ககிட்ட திருப்பி கொடுத்துட்டான். That is the meaning thing. So what you write here? Sales will come in the credit side. Sales return will come in the debit side. So sales return account debtor to Chandran account. See, according to the golden rule, what is coming in? Goods is coming in. So that's why I am writing in the debit side. Who is the giver? Chandran is the giver. So coming in, who is the giver? So that's why I am writing Chandran in the credit side. How much the amount is? 6,000. Dash 6,000. So what you will write? The sales return by Chandran. Okay. Okay, next date is 20. 20 date, see they received cash from Chandran in full settlement. So yes, received cash from Chandran full settlement. How much is giving? Is giving 23,000. Is giving us a 23,000. So for you keep it this amount. I tell. First you will write the journal entry as cash account. What is coming in? Cash is coming in. Cash account debtor. How much is giving? 23,000 is giving. So see the transaction here. Full settlement. Full settlement means go to the 15th date. 15th date you can see there. Credit it is there. So how much he has to give? 30,000 he has to give. So in that he has returned the 6,000. That means 30,000 he has to give. In that he has returned how much? 6,000 he has returned. So minus 30,000 minus 6,000 will come 24,000. So in this 24,000 only he has to give as a full settlement, but he gave 23,000. So what is the difference here? 1,000 rupees is the difference. So this is a discount. So you'll write as a discount account debtor to, you'll write who's the giver? Chandran is the giver. So here and all dash account you'll write dash, together add this one and write here as a 20. According to him 24,000 settlement is over. You gave a discount as a 1,000 rupees. That is the expense. That's why it will come in the debit side. Cash is coming into you. That's why 23,000 in the debit side.
Start.
Next is a 25 date. See the transaction there. Paid salary through ECAs. So paid salary means salary is the expense. So expense will come in the debit side. I'll write as a salary account debtor to ECS is coming. ECS means bank. That is come from the bank you're taking. That's what. So I am writing as a bank. Who is the giver there? Bank is the giver. So I am writing as a bank account. How much is the amount there? 2,000. Your dash you'll write 2,000. So how I'll write a salary paid through ECS. I'll write. Next date is a 30 date. So see the 30 date. Shahil took a personal use for goods worth. He has took the, so usually you'll write as a cash means your personal use means what you'll write drawing account. Debtor. So if he takes a cash means you will write as a cash. But in the transaction he took as a good. So I'll write as a to purchase. If I am taking a goods means I have to write the purchase account. So who's a receiver means owner is a receiver. So I am writing as a drawing. For his personal use he is taking. So I am writing as a drawing. He is taking a goods for his personal use. That's why I am writing as a purchase. If he takes a cash means I'll write a cash. But he took as a goods. So I am writing the purchase. As a purchase I am writing how much means 10,000. Dash 10,000. Okay. Write the comments here as a took goods for personal use. So that's all.